Hey there, YouTube. Back here working on the Mack truck today, and I got a few things to do to it. And I just thought I'd show you a little trick on how you can jack up your drive tires without even actually having a jack. Anyway, I'm going to start by dropping the air suspension. Then we're going to walk around. Throw a couple jack stands under it, and then all we got to do, air the suspension back up. As the airbag's inflating, it's pivoting the pinion angle of the rear end, which in turn lifts the drive tires off the ground when you place the jack stand underneath the airbags. It's not how I'd actually do work on the truck, but you know, could potentially get you out of a bind. You know, I mean, you could stack wood blocks under there or something if you had to get the tire up off the ground in a situation where you didn't have a jack available. Now, generally I would recommend to actually jack up your truck and put jack stands under it with the air suspension deflated. This way, if your truck were to lose air pressure while you're working on it, it's not going to come down. But anyway, I hope that helps you out. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe down below. Thank you. Have a good day.